What's the meaning of boarding kennel? Boarding kennel. Boarding kennel.
Boarding kennel. Boarding kennel. A boarding kennel is a facility where pet owners can leave their dogs or cats while they are away from home, typically for an extended period of time. The primary purpose of a boarding kennel is to provide a comfortable and safe environment for pets, with access to food, water, and other essential amenities. Boarding kennels may offer additional services, such as grooming, training, or exercise, depending on the facility. They are often used by pet owners who are traveling for work or leisure, or when their home is undergoing renovations or repairs. Boarding kennels can be a great option for pet owners who need reliable and professional care for their beloved animals.